Hi and welcome to our review of the MUCHYIXIN Levitating Speaker 2022. If you're a fan of futuristic gadgets and high-quality audio, you're going to love this speaker. The MUCHYIXIN Levitating Speaker uses cutting-edge magnetic levitation technology to float in midair while playing your favorite tunes. But it's not just a cool visual feature, the levitation actually helps to improve the sound quality by reducing vibrations and eliminating distortion. But the coolest part about this speaker has to be its design. The circular base and floating orb look like something out of a science fiction movie, and the LED lighting adds to the ambience. It's sure to be a conversation starter at any party or gathering. Plus, the sleek black and silver color scheme gives it a modern and sophisticated look. The MUCHYIXIN Levitating Speaker is also incredibly easy to use. It connects to your device via Bluetooth in just a few simple steps, and you can control the volume, skip tracks, and even take phone calls using the touch controls on the base. It's also compatible with voice assistants like Siri and Google Assistant, so you can control it hands-free. One of the standout features of this speaker is its long battery life. You can get up to 8 hours of continuous playtime on a single charge, so you don't have to worry about it running out of juice during a party or long road trip. And when it does need to be charged, you can easily do so using the included USB cable. In terms of sound quality, the MUCHYIXIN Levitating Speaker delivers. It has a powerful 20W driver and delivers crisp and clear sound across all frequency ranges. Whether you're listening to bass-heavy beats or delicate acoustic tracks, you'll be impressed by the sound quality. Overall, the MUCHYIXIN Levitating Speaker 2022 is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to add some style and innovation to their audio setup. Its unique design, excellent sound quality, and convenient features make it a must-have for any music lover. That's all for today. Don't forget to share the video if you liked it, and click on subscribe to be informed of new videos. Bye.